Oh, I'm not done up in the attic yet. I am soaked. Oh, probably should have wore long pants up there, but I'm taking a little break. It's hot up there. Nothing like an ice cold Diet Coke. Oh yeah. Feels good. Down here, it's so hot up there. I should have weighed myself before I went up there. But you know, when you go up and into an attic to do work, don't think you're going to be up there just one time. You go up, try to fish the wires down, you forget something, you got to go up and down, back and forth. I've been up in the attic, oh, I don't know, 7 or 8 times now, doing all kinds of stuff up there. If I had a helper, he could hand me stuff and kind of pull the wires down. I've got some stuff fished down the wall, but I can't pull it all the way until I get back up there and rearrange my wires. But see this thing here? If I didn't have this, I couldn't have done my project. You know what this is? They call it a steel tape. I call it a fish tape. And it's all wrapped up in here in a stout wire. A stout steel wire that you can fish down the wall and twist it all different directions. And if I didn't have this, I could not have fished those wires down because they were too squiggly and they were hitting the insulation inside the wall and all that. But I'll show you how to use this on a separate little video. Okay? You're fishing down wires down walls. Sometimes you just got to use the fish tape. Guess I better go back up there and keep working.